Ada penanya non-muslim, Dr. Zakir Naik tidak mau penanya orangnya bersembunyi dan tidak langsung berhadapan dengan beliau karena tidak bisa memberikan jawaban yang semestinya face to face dan kemudian apa yang ditanyakan dan apa yang harus dijawab. Karena itu kalau ada non-muslimnya berada di sini, silahkan tampil ke depan. Kalau ada yang diwakili tadi yang non-muslim berada di sini, silakan mendatangi mikrofon. Tidak apa-apa, langsung bertanya kepada Dr. Zakir Naik. Silakan, yang non-muslim. Is there any?
Yes, we have a non-Muslim sister here.
Inshallah, we'll come there, sister. We want to give equal chance. First sister, then sister.
Yes.
Inshallah, we'll come to you, sister.
Oh, sekarang the turn of male side. Right. Ada non-muslim?
Non-Muslim, is there non-Muslim would like to ask a question? Because if they don't want to come on the microphone, they can go on the YouTube and see my answer. Most of the questions answered, alhamdulillah.
Yes.
Are there non-Muslim brothers? I'm seeing this very common, that non-Muslim sisters are coming. Brothers aren't coming. Maybe the the Muslim sisters are doing more dawah than the Muslim brothers. I saw that yesterday, I saw that day before yesterday. Ladies are coming, non-Muslim. Why aren't the gents coming? That means the Muslim gents are not interested in doing dawah. Okay, by the time the non-Muslims are coming from the gent side, we can take a question from the non-Muslim sister. Yes, sister, most welcome. If you can ask in English, it's better. If you don't know English, then you can ask in the Indonesian language.
Baik, nama saya Maria Sergiana, saya asalnya dari NTT. Pertanyaan yang saya ajukan, kan tadi sempat menjawab saudara yang non-Muslim tadi. Katanya kalau agama Islam itu kalau keluar ke pulau lain atau ke daerah lain kan, kalau keluar dari agama Islam kan masuk penjara. Nah, yang sekarang yang saya pantau, kami dari NTT, saudara yang dari Jawa, yang agama Islam, ada yang ke NTT, terus masuk agama Nasrani, tapi tidak dipenjarakan. Yang sekarang saya tanyakan, bagaimana sehingga saudara yang beragama Islam ke NTT tapi tidak masuk penjara, dan kalau saudara Islam yang ke pulau lain harus masuk penjara.
Sebentar, yang dimaksud di penjara itu apa?
Tadi kan saya sempat mendengar kalau agama Islam keluar ke pulau lain dan keluar dari agamanya sendiri itu harus masuk penjara.
Oh, tidak, Dr. Zakir tidak pernah mengatakan itu. Keluar dari pulau, keluar ke pulau lain dan kemudian masuk penjara, tidak ada. Apa yang saudari tanyakan? Atau ada pertanyaan lain yang lebih terkait dengan saudari? Yang lebih terkait dengan saudari, lebih terkait dengan Anda. Dr. Zakir tidak mengatakan kalau orang Islam keluar pulau dan kemudian keluar dari Islam masuk penjara.
Brother, you answering the question. You are supposed to translate and tell me. No. Let me answer. Why are you answering?
Yes.
Why are you answering? I don't understand.
No.
Irrespective whatever she says, even if she says 2 + 2 = 5, you have to translate it. You are a translator, not a person to answer.
The question is not clear. The question is not clear. No question.
Clarification.
Let her. I will tell that. You translate. Maybe it is clear to me, Ahmadai. Your job is to translate verbatim. The question is not clear to you because you are not expert in the field of dawah. If it's not clear to me, I will tell. Your job is to translate verbatim. If she's too fast, you tell, sister, wait, 2 sentences at a time. Translate 2 sentences, let us say. Translate 2 sentences. No, you are deciding it's not clear. I'm to decide. What you
Yes.
do, if it's, I know it's difficult. Tell a sister 2 sentences at a time. If she's too long, you have to tell her be brief. Again, you can ask her, because I know she's already spoken about 20 sentences. You may translate half and then I'll not understand.
Yes.
So
Yes.
better is you tell sister 1 sentence, you repeat it. 1 sentence, repeat it. Better. Correct? Ask her to repeat the question. Every sentence you translate, okay?
Okay.
Ask her to repeat it.
Okay.
Ask her to repeat
Right.
the question.
Correct. Right.
Ask her to repeat the question.
Silakan mengulangi pertanyaan kalimat sekalimat, satu kalimat. Please.
Saya akan mengulang pertanyaan. Yang saya tanyakan itu, mengapa sehingga Tuhan Allah. Iya. Iya.
Bisa saya bantu mungkin dengan bahasa
Jangan,
Indonesia
jangan,
juga?
jangan. Jangan dibantu, Mbak. Jangan dibantu. Jangan dibantu.
Dia agak kesulitan untuk mengekspresikannya.
Enggak
tapi
apa-apa, enggak apa-apa. Jangan, jangan, jangan. Jangan.
Saya malu nih.
Jadi kamu ngomongnya gimana toh? Gini ya, kamu bilangnya gini. Kenapa orang Muslim itu kalau ya kan keluar dari pulau, maksudnya pulau mana? Maksudnya kamu dengar dari ini tadi dari naik, iya? Atau gimana? Atau kamu mau?
Tadi saya sempatkan dengar toh, tapi iya, tadi kan
Mbak,
sempat
jangan
dengar kalau agama Islam itu
Mbak, jangan diajarin, Mbak. Jangan diajarin. Biar langsung aja, langsung. Langsung aja, langsung. Jangan ada yang ganggu, jangan ada yang ganggu.
aduh, tenang saya malu ini.
First, ask her to tell her name, her profession, and then the question in 2 or 3 sentences.
Ya, langsung, Mbak.
Her name, profession, and question in 2 or 3 sentences.
Nama, profesi, nama sudah, profesi belum?
Sebut nama lagi tuh. Nama saya Sergiana, asal dari NTT.
Pekerjaan.
Pekerjaannya mahasiswa. Mahasiswi. Aduh, tenang. Pertanyaan, saya akan mengulangi pertanyaan saya. Mengapa agama Islam kalau ke pulau lain atau ke pulau Malaysia?
Brother, translate it, na? She's already said. Why you again?
Stop.
If you're not
Mengapa?
understanding English, if she says 3 sentences,
Yes.
translate. Don't
Why?
write down.
Yeah.
Then you'll forget. Then you'll say what the question is. Translate verbatim without writing. Yes,
Yes.
brother.
Why Muslim when go out of the country?
Mengapa agama Islam kalau ke pulau lain, keluar agama itu harus dipenjarakan?
Why a Muslim when migrated to other island should be jailed?
Mungkin harus dihukum ketika di
Terus
Malaysia itu. Sudah.
Is the translation correct?
Dengar betul.
Yes or no? The translation, why should a Muslim when he migrates to any other island should be jailed? No, they are saying.
Yes, yes.
That is the question?
Yes.
Sister, that question you can ask the Indonesian government. In Islam, you can go to any island, no problem. If the Indonesian government, I don't know. I am a traveler. Ask me questions on Islam and comparative religion, not about Indonesia. I don't even know whether what you're saying is right or wrong. I know many Indonesians going from here to there. I don't know whether there's a law in Indonesia that if you migrate, you get. Is there a law? There's no law. Sister, you're mistaken. There's no law in Indonesia that if you migrate, you get jailed. Do you have any other question? Translate.
Ini urusan Anda, itu persoalan pemerintah Indonesia, bukan urusan saya. Saya bukan orang Indonesia. Saya pakar dalam bidang perbandingan agama. Saya tidak mengerti hukumnya di Indonesia seperti apa. Itu urusannya orang Indonesia.
Tapi bukan itu inti pertanyaannya tadi. Bisakah saya membantunya mengatakan pertanyaannya lagi?
Doctor, may someone help her to express the question correctly?
Setelah itu dia menyatakan.
Wait, tunggu.
Brother, your job is to translate only. Express means it will change. If expression, how does she know her mind? If you translate correctly, I will help her. Unless you translate it wrong. Why should somebody, if she's saying that if a Muslim changes island, he get arrested, what can someone help her to express the question? You have to translate. Correct? What is the question of helping her? Unless you're translating wrong. If you're not translating wrong, give her, did you give my answer to her? Give my answer that Indonesia, according to Indonesian law, a person is not put to jail. Ask her to ask questions on Islam and comparative religion.
Yes, already I told her.
Talk again.
Yeah.
And don't let anyone interfere.
Yes. Itu bukan urusan saya tentang bagaimana orang keluar dari sebuah pulau kemudian dipenjarakan. Itu urusannya pemerintah Indonesia. Bidang saya adalah perbandingan agama.
If your question is wrong, no, she will say, no, I did not say this. If she's not saying, that means she got the answer. She's not objecting. Correct? That means that was a question. Why is somebody interfering? If you understood the question wrong, she will tell, no brother, I did not say Muslims changing island. She's not saying, that means that was a question. Tell her to ask questions on Islam and comparative religion. Tell her.
Silakan bertanya tentang Islam dan perbandingan agama.
Does she have any? Do you have any question, sister? Do you have any question on Islam?
Apakah Anda punya pertanyaan tentang Islam?
Anything you feel that Islam is wrong?
Yang kamu rasakan bahwa Islam itu salah?
Or anything you feel Islam is good?
Atau yang kamu pandang Islam itu adalah baik?
Any question on Islam or any other religion, you are most welcome to ask.
Pertanyaan apapun tentang Islam atau bahkan agama-agama lain, silahkan ditanyakan.
Saudari kita ini dari tadi kesulitan mengekspresikan pertanyaannya.
Sister, why you?
Jangan, sudah selesai.
Sister, you tell her not to interfere, no?
No.
Tell her not to interfere.
Mbak,
Jangan interupsi, jangan
biar
diganggu.
aja, biar dia ngerti atau nggak ngerti, biar aja, jangan diganggu. Ya, biar.
She can speak very well. Let her speak.
Udah Mbak, biar aja, Mbak mundur aja, jangan diganggu. Biarkan saja, nggak apa-apa.
Repeat what I last said. Repeat what I said. Does she have any question on Islam? Do you have any question on Islam?
Anda punya pertanyaan atau tidak tentang Islam?
Tidak lagi.
Tidak lagi.
Jazakallah, sister. Thank you very much. Can we have the next question here? Are there any brothers, non-Muslim brothers, who would like to ask a question? Any non-Muslim?